teenager, that was also the time that I got confused with my sexual identity. And with the pursuance of the Magna Carta for professional teachers, because I was born male, I need to cut my hair short. I need to wear a more decent and masculine uniform. But I know that is not me. That's not what I want. That's not what makes me happy. My advocacy is gender bias on work employment. Bakla ka, hindi ka pwede doon. Tomboy ka, bawal ka dito. Let us break that stigma. Let us break that stereotypes. Ang layunin ho ng advokasiyang ito ay ang patas na pagkilala, patas na pagtingin, at patas na oportunidad para sa lahat. Dahil higit kailanman, hindi mo kailangang maging limitado ang napakalaking espasyo na ibinabahagi sa atin ng lipunan. Why? Dahil kailanman, ang tunay naman talagang batayan ay wala sa kasarian. Bagkus kung ano ang maibabahagi mo sa iyong lipunan. Maraming salamat.